lights. Little Howard Pete U-control. Who in their right mind to throw a beautiful airplane like this off a cliff with no motor in it? Looks like a yellow aircraft Spitfire. We can't pass up a seaplane, especially when it's yellow and it's got a high wing. Hi there, hi there. There's a lone little SC-5 way down in the train section, eating its heart out to get with the rest of the airplanes. Beautiful plastic models. 91 Northwest Model Expo. Okay, Jim, how's business?
Great. Couldn't be better.
What can you sell me with a Sky Night discount?
Jim Connors.
Everything. Promise? Okay. Beautiful Byron kits. Well, it's 4 after 10 in the morning Sunday. Gates have just opened, so it's going to get hot and heavy in here pretty soon. Yeah, yesterday you couldn't even walk down these aisles. And there's 3 of them. The famous Werner Kopp. Say hi, Werner.
Hello, Dick.
Hey, Prop Wash Video, Las Vegas, Nevada.
Up in the far Pacific Northwest.
Yeah, he loves it up here, right, Werner?
And getting wet.
Can't wait to get back next year.
Absolutely.
And here we have Mr. Foremost Products himself, the famous Ralph Cooney, Forest Grove, Oregon. Ralph, how's it going?
Well, it's going real well.
Good.
And I want to congratulate you on taking Best of Show with your beautiful Albatross.
Well, thank you very much.
Good job.
That was a rebuild job, you know.
I never know it.
Sell a lot of Foremost products?
Oh, yeah. That's why it's so good. It's got some foremost work into it.
Great, great. Oh, I'm sure it does. Nice talking to you, Ralph. And if you get hungry, you can
Ralph designed a Cooney 61 engine a few years back.
Well, here we have the crew at Proctor, working hard as usual.
Good morning, congratulations.
Bringing in the bucks. This shot is for Frank Fiano, and of course he knows why. And we're at Fox Manufacturing. We're going to take the little tour. Now we'll see what's going on in here. Here's the entryway. There's a reception desk here.
Fox Manufacturing.
2 mementos of Duke Fox.
Okay.
On the wall.
Man, oh my.
Fox, she's graciously going to show us around Fox Manufacturing. And over here we have, and this is you up here, Betty?
Stu and Betty, and in Chesapeake 2 summers ago.
I see.
At the Nationals. Made by Stu Richmond.
Oh yes, Stu, he's a famous guy.
Yeah.
Betty, and you can show us the famous Fox Manufacturing. We're certainly sorry.
Betty Fox, the nicest little lady you'd ever want to meet.
Okay, if you speak maybe just a little bit louder, stay a little closer to the camera, that would help too.
We're on our way back from the Top Gun meet in Florida.
This is what here?
Glow plugs.
Glow plugs. Oh, the famous glow plugs.
Absolutely.
Here's where they come from, guys. Fox glow plugs.
See, we only hire pretty young girls.
Oh, pretty young girls, and they're making the miracle plugs here, right?
Absolutely.
Fox miracle plugs. Oh, great. Engine assembly department. Nice and clean. Wow, this is a big operation.
And then back over there is run-in. See, when they get the engines put together, they run them, test them.
Yeah, I'd like to go around and see that real close.
Duke Fox had just passed away within the last year.
For sure. Yes, sir.
Over here's the tool.
Tooling. This is tooling over here. We'll go take a look in here. Here we got the tooling. Tooling. They're cleaning up here. Automatic.
And
Here, what are we putting together here?
polisher nuts, spinner nuts.
Spinner nuts, polishing.
There is the grinders and like that,
Grinders and
and die cast.
die casting.
Then we rented, the guy wanted it.
Duke and Betty came here in 1956 when this was out in the country. So he did all right.
It's almost downtown Fort Smith, Arkansas now.
Quite noisy in here. Take us over to where they break in the engines, or test run them rather, not break them in. And, tumbling, they're tumbling. Here's their tumbling part. Sand casting. Spinners. Rest of the crankcase, front and back. Head. Shaft.
Which kind?
This is 45 and 50 crank.
45 and 50 crank. Let's have a look at one of those old jewels. Hold it right there. That's great. Oh, focus this. There we are.
Now that is
Here's the muffler man. Deburring a sack full of mufflers here. Crankshaft.
They're running aircraft engines.
Go ahead. How are you going to test run this engine? Through running in the block there. Starter. Hey, sir.
Everyone that sits out has a name that the person
Spinner shafts. We're big on crankshafts around here.
deburring on crank.
Deburring on cranks. Another connecting rods. Have looks like carburetors. And, yeah, that's it. Hold it right there, and I'll focus right up on it. There it is. Ready to go on the engine. Let me get a focus. There we are. Engine assembly. Part looks like the piston and the
sleeve.
Yep, matching them up. The sleeve. He's lapping here.
And a good strong hand.
Good fit, good fit.
You're set to go.
Set to go. Rods.
Fox model aircraft engines.
He's into shipping here now, and this is where you...
74.
Duke always called them motors.
These are Fox 74s, ready to be boxed up.
Yeah. That's good. We
Yep.
love it. That's for all of us.
Okay, we're going to go upstairs and have an overlook here at the factory. Well, we'll give you a quick panorama here of Fox Manufacturing. Busy place. Getting your Fox motors ready for you. There they are, all boxed up. In the back door to the office, the brains of the outfit,
Sharon and Roger.
Sharon and Roger. Nice to meet y'all. We had a nice tour of the factory.
I saw you driving down there, kid.
Yeah, he was at school, so.
We're going to send you a copy of this tape, Betty, as soon as we get it on the market, okay? Office space here. There's a nook for everything in this building.
Oh, yeah.
They got a hobby shop here. Oh, there we go. Just like a magnet. Now we're talking. The hobby shop. What do we need, guys? Larry, what do we need? There we go. Fox Hobby Shop, open for business.
Fort Smith, Arkansas.
Need they've got. Look at that. Neat. Fort Smith, Arkansas. Well, Betty, thank you very much for letting us walk through the plant, and
We're glad you came.
appreciate it very much, and we'll see you next time we come through town.
All right.
Okay? Great.
Make it soon.
Oh, we sure will. Well, we're in Seattle, Washington. The last day of January 1992, the Museum of Flight. Nice, beautiful entrance to this museum.
I'm getting this one.
Museum's located on the west side of Boeing Field.
Boeing's first building, which happens to be right there. This is the Boeing B&W, Bill Boeing's first aircraft. This is the Swallow. And the Stearman C-3B. Aronka.